channel. My name is Monet. If you are new to this space, welcome. Today we are going to be doing a review on this hair from Alipearl. Yes, I am really excited because I have yet to try this kind of like chocolate brunette type. I guess it's the color that you would say, like brunette. I've yet to try a chocolate bob. I mean, not chocolate. I've yet to try a chocolate unit, so I'm super excited to be trying this unit. It is super full, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and start my application so I can get it laid, and then we will come back and do the styling. So if you guys are interested in seeing my thoughts on this hair and how I style my unit from Alipearl, let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, you guys, so we're going to get straight into this styling review on this hair from Alipearl. You guys, I received this gorgeous chocolate brown unit. This is a number 4 unit. Just for purpose, we'll say chocolate because it's a really gorgeous auburn type color. It has like some highlights in it, so I do like the dimension. What I'm gonna do is first I like to measure it from ear to ear just to kind of get the right position, and then I'm gonna go in and secure the unit. You guys have seen me time and time again apply my units on here. So I will just list the products down below. Typically it will be in my Amazon cart. If you guys are looking for the hairspray or the wax stick, that is going to be listed down below. The spray that I use, I love and I stand by is my bed head. I've used this when traveling and I tend to have no issues. Also, still keep in mind that when I am applying my units, I'm only applying them for a daily wear. So the hair info on this unit, I did get a 24-inch straight chocolate brown unit. This is a 13x4 lace frontal with HD lace. You guys know how I feel about a good melt, and HD right now is definitely winning for me. Like, that is, man, it just gives you even more of a natural look. Now with this unit, I did bleach the knots. I also plucked the lace. I am going to try to get a detailed bleaching and plucking on how I prepare my unit, so that way I can give you guys a detailed video of that. But just give me a moment, you guys. And so I noticed with this unit, it was very easy to bleach the knots. I believe I kept the bleach on for maybe about 30 minutes. I would recommend, if you are just now starting to bleach your knots, maybe do it maybe 15 to 20 and just kind of check every 10 minutes on the unit. So what I did, I just bleached my knots, and then I make sure to use some purple shampoo that's going to help diffuse that color, that orangeness, to make it even more natural. As far as plucking the unit, you guys, the knots were super fine, which I really enjoy. I really like and I appreciate. I hate big knots on a unit, oh my goodness, because that's what makes units look fake and non-scalp like. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and cut the ear tab just to make sure that it's measured to my ear. It was a little bit big, not too much, but I still had to do a little bit of work with the edges. And then I just went ahead and cut it with the razor, and I'm just taking my little mini flat iron, popping some curls in it just to give me that fluffy baby hair trend. Y'all, I have been super obsessed with it, like, and I don't want to let it go. It has a hold on me. When laying my edges and my baby hairs, I do like to use a little bit of mousse, and sometimes I take a little bit of that bedhead spray on my fingertips and just use that on the roots, and this helps my baby hairs stay down for my period of time, if I'm wearing, for whatever I'm doing, whether I'm out for a long time or a little. It just lays them down, but still keeping them with the natural look and not so crispy. Like I said, I did receive a 24-inch. The density on this unit is 180% density, so it is fairly full. It is still natural to me, but it definitely is fuller than a 150 unit would be. 150 to me gives a very natural look for those who are just beginning. Now with this unit, because it is HD lace though, it's just going, I know it's gonna melt, you guys. So I'm just deciding to throw some baby hairs on the temples. I do like to take my shears because I've noticed that when it comes to my edges and my baby hairs, I do not like them to touch my brows. Alright, you guys, so now that I got my baby hairs laid, I'm just gonna flip my hair up, go ahead and put my band on and use my wax stick, and this is going to help lay that unit. You guys, once you really get you a good wax stick that you like and a good old flat iron or hot comb, baby, you gonna melt that wig, I promise you. And so I am just running my hot comb through it a few times. This unit melted very easily, didn't have to put too much work into it, but I will say though, it has a lot to do with the plucking. I really wanted this unit to look really natural as possible, and I was just unsure on how I wanted to style the unit, so I did make sure to take my time in laying it and making sure it melted, just in case I wanted to do a side part or no part at all. Alright, you guys, now that I have the unit the way I want it, I went ahead and took my band off, got it melted, did my face, and I am just spraying some heat protectant, and we are going to pop a few curls in this hair. And I'm using my wand today because I have not used a wand in a minute. Besides, I think I used it on my last unit, let me not lie, you guys, but I just have not used it. I've been using like my flat iron to curl my hair lately, so I was just like, I wanted to do something different, and yeah, we're gonna see. So I'm just going to take my wand curler and throw a few curls in it, y'all. I really like how fast it takes me to curl some hair because, baby, I don't have time to be sitting here all day doing that. It literally took me maybe 15 to 20 minutes to put these curls in there. Now, if you put down curls in and you would like to pin it up, then obviously that add more time. I really am debating about doing some pin curls just to kind of see how I like how the curls fall, just to kind of practice a bridal look. Y'all let me know if y'all are interested in seeing something like that, because I do have to do that in the next 2 weeks. Alright, you guys, so I'm adding the finishing touches. Just adding the last of my curls on my unit. I did decide that I was just going to do like a flip over method with this hair. It is just giving me gorgeous curls. You guys see how easily this hair curls, and it just looks really natural, like lace wear. Like, they did a great job. I feel like with this gorgeous color, with the plucking that was done, it definitely gives a very beautiful chocolate unit, which I definitely recommend. If you are looking for some type of color, you kind of want to ease into something, I think this is definitely something you should try out. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I did decide to throw in a few layers. Like I said, I was kind of unsure whether or not I want to go back and forth with the middle part or any part, so I just added just a few at the front, just a face frame. And yeah, this is the units, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review. I have nothing but good things to say about this unit, you guys. As far as the hair quality, it curled really nicely. The hair was super soft. I had minimal shedding. This is the color that they did. It actually came like this. The only thing that I did for this unit was pluck the unit. I bleached the unit as far as the knots. And then also I did tint the lace. Now do keep in mind, just because it is HD lace, still on our complexion, you do want to add your own tint, whether it be with your face powder, foundation, or just a tint spray. And I will list the tint spray that I use. I typically go between 2 of them. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you once again, Alipearl, for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review. Let me know down below what y'all think, and I will check y'all in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.